Steel door installation in Washington, D.C. is a crucial service for both residential and commercial properties. With the increasing demand for security and durability, custom steel entry doors Washington, D.C. have become a popular choice. These doors offer enhanced protection and are available in various designs to suit any architectural style. Entry door replacement in Washington, D.C. is essential for maintaining the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your property. Whether you need residential steel doors or commercial entry doors, our services ensure a seamless transition with minimal disruption. Our team specializes in door replacement services in Washington, D.C., providing quick and efficient solutions to any door-related issues. Custom steel entry doors Washington, D.C. offer a unique blend of style and security. These doors can be tailored to meet specific design preferences and security requirements. Our door customization services in Washington, D.C. ensure that each door is crafted to perfection, providing both aesthetic appeal and robust protection. Energy-efficient doors in Washington, D.C. are designed to reduce energy consumption and enhance comfort. Insulated steel doors in Washington, D.C. are an excellent choice for those looking to improve energy efficiency. These doors help maintain indoor temperatures, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Security door solutions in Washington, D.C. are essential for safeguarding your property. Our range of security doors in Washington, D.C. includes fire-rated doors and doors with advanced locking mechanisms. Door lock installation in Washington, D.C. is a critical component of our security door solutions, ensuring maximum protection. Door frame replacement in Washington, D.C. is vital for maintaining the structural integrity of your doors. Our door frame replacement services in Washington, D.C. address issues such as warping, cracking, and misalignment. We also offer door jamb replacement in Washington, D.C. to ensure a perfect fit and smooth operation. Door hardware installation in Washington, D.C. is an integral part of our comprehensive door services. From door hinge replacement in Washington, D.C. to door threshold replacement, we ensure that every component functions flawlessly. Our door hardware DC services enhance the overall performance and longevity of your doors. Fire-rated doors in Washington, D.C. provide an added layer of safety for both residential and commercial properties. These steel entry doors Washington, D.C. are designed to withstand high temperatures and prevent the spread of fire. Our fire-rated doors Washington, D.C. services include installation and maintenance to ensure optimal performance. Door weatherproofing in Washington, D.C. is essential for protecting your property from the elements. Our door sealing services in Washington, D.C. prevent drafts, moisture, and pests from entering your home or business. We also offer door painting services in Washington, D.C. to enhance the appearance and durability of your doors. Door design consultation in Washington, D.C. helps you choose the perfect door for your property. Our experts provide door measurement services in Washington, D.C. to ensure a precise fit. Whether you need door upgrade solutions in Washington, D.C. or new installations, our team is here to assist.